large gatherings can overwhelm a small cooler before the trip even starts. This Coleman rolling cooler uses a 100-quart body for camping, tailgating, beach days, and group events. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing says the fully insulated lid and body can keep ice for up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit under the maker's test conditions. Capacity is the headline feature. Coleman lists room for up to 167 cans without ice, or 80 cans with 50 pounds of ice. 6-inch wheels and tow and swing-up handles help move a loaded cooler, while 4 molded cup holders keep drinks on the lid. A recessed lip makes the lid easier to open. The lid is rated to support up to 250 pounds as an occasional seat, and the liner is described as stain-resistant with a tethered drain plug. The limitation is bulk. A 100-quart cooler becomes very heavy when loaded, takes substantial vehicle space, and wheel performance still depends on the terrain. Overall, this Coleman fits large groups that need capacity and rolling transport more than compact storage. Couples and short outings will usually be better served by a smaller cooler.